Welcome to Cooking Made Easy. Today we will learn how to cook fresh mussels in a beautiful tomato sauce and use it in different dishes. So let's begin. We will need fresh mussels, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 spoon of fresh herbs, and olive oil. We also need salt and pepper, paprika, cumin, turmeric, ginger powder, and dried thyme. In a pan over medium heat, we drizzle some olive oil, we add our chopped onion and chopped garlic. We cook for a couple minutes, then we add our tomatoes and the rest of our spices, and we let cook for 5 more minutes. When the sauce is fully cooked, we add our fresh mussels and we let simmer. We can dress with some freshly chopped herbs and serve as is with a couple slices of baguette. For our next dish, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 spoon of dried yeast, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, some warm water, and a cup of grated cheese. You can use just any kind of cheese you like. I used here mozzarella. Start by mixing your dry ingredients, then add warm water and make a nice fluffy dough. Let rest until it rises. When you see that the dough has nicely risen, remove the air and let rest for a couple more minutes before making it into a nice thin crust for your pizza. Spread some of the beautiful tomato sauce that we just made. Add the grated cheese, decorate with some mussels, and put in a hot oven for 10 minutes. You can then enjoy a homemade yummy slice of pizza. For our third dish, we need 1 cup of pasta, some salt, and hot water. Cook the pasta in hot water and salt. Sift, then add some of the mussel sauce that we just made. Let simmer for a couple more minutes. Decorate with some of the mussels, then enjoy. For our last dish of today, we will need 1 cup of basmati rice and some fresh water. Clean the rice thoroughly with fresh water, then soak for 10 to 15 minutes. In a pan over medium heat, add some of the sauce that we made, add your rice, then add some water, reduce the heat and let simmer until fully cooked. Decorate with some mussels and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends for more recipes from Cooking Made Easy.